Hola! I want to give you una clase de español. What does español mean? Spanish. The word for is, en español, es. So if I want to say it is Spanish, I say es español. It is Spanish, es español. My name is mi nombre. How do I say my name is Ruth? Mi nombre es Ruth. Mi nombre es Ruth. The word for difficult is difícil, and the strong part of the word is fi. Difícil. How do I say it is difficult? Use that word es. Es difícil. It is Spanish. Es español. How do I say my name is Ruth? Mi nombre es Ruth. It is not difficult, so I put the word no. It's like not, but without the t. No. And that goes in front of the word it is. It isn't difficult. No es difícil. Es español. Mi nombre es Ruth. No es difícil. The word for this is eso. This is Spanish. Eso es español. This is Spanish. It is not difficult. Eso es español. No es difícil. What I'd like you to do is imagine you're talking to somebody at home, saying that you've learned a little bit of español. Imagine they ask you, say something in Spanish, and you can now say, eso es español. Mi nombre es Ruth. No es difícil. The word for hello is hola. It is spelt with an H. Without an H, hola means wave, the wave of a sea. With an H, which we don't hear, hola means hello. Hello, my name is Ruth. Hola, mi nombre es Ruth. Now the word for I am is soy. I am Ruth. Soy Ruth. Intelligent is inteligente. It's got 5 syllables. Inteligente. Inteligente. I am intelligent. Soy inteligente. Talk en español is hablar. Think about blah, 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 blah. Hablar. I talk, it's got a little blow because I give a little breath out when I talk. So I talk is hablo. I talk Spanish. Hablo español. It's not difficult. No es difícil. I'm intelligent. Soy inteligente. I speak Spanish. It's not difficult. I'm intelligent. Hablo español. No es difícil. Soy inteligente. This is not difficult. I need that word this again, which is eso. Eso no es difícil. For me is 2 words actually, and it's para mí. It's not difficult for me. No es difícil para mí. This is not difficult for me. I am intelligent. Eso no es difícil para mí. Soy inteligente. Para mí means for me. Para ti means for you. Is this difficult for you? Eso es difícil para ti. This is not difficult for me. Eso no es difícil para mí. The word for thank you is gracias, and the word for goodbye is adios. Adios.